Wow, you know, it's really different looking in a mirror to looking into a camera. I've been growing a bit of a quarantine moustache and this morning my beard was quite long, so I trimmed my beard back and left the moustache and I'm very tashy. Also, I've got a bald patch here which I've never really given lots of attention to, but now I can really see it. Anyway, welcome to a vlog. The sun is shining, it's a beautiful day. You may have noticed that for my last video, which is now over 3 weeks ago, I'm in a very different location. So that last one was shot 2 or 3 days before we went into lockdown in the UK. We were at home in London and Sarah and I sort of had we were asked, like the country were asked to stay inside and, you know, be good. We weren't told to, we were asked to at that point. And Sarah and I did, but every time we looked out the window, we saw that so many people were on the streets and we heard the news and I had a feeling that we were going to get locked down. So we thought we would actually come here. We both left it long enough. So both myself and Sarah and also Sarah's family, who we're with at the moment, we'd all left it 2 weeks, keeping in touch with each other the whole time, making sure no one had any symptoms or anything. And we decided to, we thought we were going to get locked down, so we thought we'd see lockdown out here. So we were in, you know, at Sarah's parents' house. Look how lovely their garden is. It's like it was such the right decision to make. So yeah, we're here. I wasn't expecting it to last this long, so we're now like week 3 or something, which means all my plants at home are dead. But you know, I can grow new plants, I can buy new plants, I can't get new lungs, I can't risk, you know, Sarah getting sick or myself getting ill or whatever. It's totally the right thing to do. Anyway, so I haven't filmed for a while because honestly, this isn't my turf. I mean, I'm in their house, I'm their guest, so I didn't want to kind of be really invasive, but you know, they're super lovely and they're totally supportive of my job. So I have, yeah, so I'm filming basically. Their place is so beautiful. I mean, look, the garden is massive. I've got a tennis court over here. Like, it's really, really stunning. I'm filming on my phone because stupidly, when I packed to come here, we did it in quite a hurry and I forgot my camera, so I'm shooting on my phone. Anyway, welcome to a vlog. Anyone that's been watching me for the last sort of 6 months or so might recognise this puzzle. We were in a hurry, I did forget my camera, but one thing Sarah did remember was her puzzle. She's done like a few bits a day and it's coming together. 2,000 pieces though, champ, hey? Look at baby Sarah. How cute. That's adorable, right? Here she is with her mum. That's Jackie and Sarah. This is Gary. So Gary is Sarah's dad. He's lovely. That is that Sarah? Yeah, so that's Elisa, Sarah's older sister. That's James, her older brother, who's my age. And then that is Sarah as a baby there. This is what it's like every morning. It's just carnage. Sarah and Dad are talking about shampoo and conditioner because I think Gary used all of, so Jackie has really curly hair. I think Gary accidentally used all of her curly stuff. So now they're trying to order it online. But Gary's upset because Jackie stopped buying bread from the shops because nobody's eating it but Gary. Paddy, say hi. This is Sarah's little brother. Can we give a close-up on your hair? Yeah. So if you watch me on Instagram, you'll know that recently I had my hair cut by Sarah. We also did Patrick's. He has a bet going on with his friends to have the most ridiculous haircut. So he's got a grade 4 on top and then just whatever length it is on the front. It's mental.
Darn bitch, Carol.
he's got. If you've watched Tiger King, you'll know he's gone for sort of the Joe Exotic. Anyway, my day's kind of gone a bit backwards today. Usually I wake up, I work out, then I eat and get on with work. But I had breakfast early and it really filled me up. So then I've been working all morning and it's now 1:10 and I haven't showered and I haven't done my workout. So I actually got those done. I wrote a synopsis, which is really hard to write and also quite dull, but done it. So now I'm going to work out. It's workout time. My equipment consists of my wraps because I'm going to do some punching. I've got the punch bag over here. I've got some weights down here. They're not very heavy, but they'll do. I've got my skipping rope. So basically I'm going to do some boxing. I'm going to do like half an hour or so, 3-minute rounds. And on my minute rest between the rounds, I'm going to skip. And over here, I have my, oh, she's running, come on. Over here I've got my resistance band. I'm going to do lots of pull stuff today. This only arrived a few days ago and I've been slouching quite a bit. So one thing I'm doing every single day is face pulls because I've got a slightly stiff shoulder sometimes, but also because I'm tall and I sit down typing quite a lot, I do this. Face pulls are really good for your posture because the idea is you want to make sure that you're trying to get your wrists back further than your elbows, does that make sense? I'm not very good at it because I'm quite weak up here, but like this. And you hold it there for a second, you can feel it going right across your shoulders, if you can as well, and I can't right now. I'm going to try to do it because I need to build up the strength. From here, up as well, like that. Do that maybe like 20 times or so, 3 sets. just as like a little warm up to get my shoulders going.
Can I have a go?
You can have a go, of course.
This is the hut.
This is the hut.
And in the summer, when we have barbecues, this is where we eat it and eat. And every summer, my dad makes the same joke and expects the same laugh. Let's hit the hut.
I've not heard him say that before.
Oh, well, just you wait. What am I doing?
So, elbows out, like flared out a bit. Yeah, and you want to kind of pull towards your face. No, keep your elbows, yeah, but then you want to sort of pivot like this. So your elbows go, your wrists go back behind your elbow. It's hard to explain. No, let me show you again. Pull towards your face. You want to get your wrists back behind your elbow if you can, which I don't think I've got the flexibility for right now, but you do this. So elbows out like this, and then pull up. See?
One more time.
So you were doing, I think you were doing this. You want to more pivot in your shoulders, so rotate. Pivot.
That's such a Ross thing to say. You're such a Ross, Jim.
I'm not a Ross.
You are a Ross.
I'm not a Ross. I'm
Okay, so
a
I'll start
Joey.
with this here.
Yeah, and then pull your shoulders back. No, you're still holding your elbow tight. Pull your shoulders back. That's better. And then try and get your wrists behind your elbows if you can. And then it might be too heavy for you to be honest. That band.
I'm not weak.
No, it's a solid band.
I am weak.
Go on, go again. And then okay, that's not bad.
What else do I do?
We're gonna do some obliques. Yeah, go on. Pull across. No, you don't want pull across your body.
Both holding both.
If you hold one, it's gonna ping off, isn't it? Because it's not anchored.
So just like.
Well, mate, why don't you hold it at the very end, so then you're not. There you go. Then you've got less. No. Keep your arms straight, and twist your body. Okay.
I felt something.
This is gonna take some doing. Oh, very elegant.
Who do we have here? What are you doing?
Getting just swelling up. Getting swole. Know what I mean?
Bye.
I'll go work. See you later.
You're like Dad. You really want to be on the video, and then as soon as you're in, you get shy.
That's the money maker.
Grrr.
1006.
Get it?
So I'm doing probably about half an hour's worth on this. 3-minute rounds, 1 minute rest. I was going to skip in between for the rest minute, but I've had to put my gloves on. I've been punching it quite hard and my knuckles really hurt. Which is fine because I did about 45 minutes of like slow resistance stuff. So I did on the resistance, I did a cross. I did one for coming up like that, and then one for coming below like this. And I also did some pulls. So I've done plenty of lifting. It's just going to kind of get me sweaty for like half an hour or something.
And it's good to take a break. You've been working out quite a lot.
Yeah, I'm learning. This thing's really a skill to learn. I'm getting there. I'm still not brilliant.
I like the ones that you've seen of those boxing bars online, which has the actual bar that spins around and you have to punch it and duck. So nice, the sun's come out. It was so gross an hour or two ago. When you edit this, I think you should put yourself in slow motion as you punch so you look really extra buff. And add in some noises. I'll do some for you. Huh! 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 Huh!
It's embarrassing when you miss it though.
Huh! Ooh!
So, around 3 minutes on this is exhausting. Sometimes I do a full 12 rounds, which is 45 minutes with a minute rest between each one. But I'm gonna do like half an hour or so.
Sorry, that was me filming. I came right into the sweat.
Sarah made salad. We've got, what's our green in there, darling? Some leaf?
You've got things that needed eating up from Jackie's veg box.
Okay.
So lettuce,
Avocado.
orange, beetroot, halloumi,
Asparagus.
and asparagus. It's a lot nicer than it looks.
No, this is like a staple for us. Delicious. We've got some sort of dippy things here.
And then that was the leftover from what I made you yesterday.
Yummy. The time is now 5:01. It's just gone 5 o'clock, and I'm downing tools. I've got one more work thing to do, but to be fair, that's very simple. It's a case of like just googling a few things and just need to kind of gather some info basically. But today's been, like I said, much more productive than I was anticipating. I think because I'm allowing myself this freedom, I end up getting more done. Did a bit of work, had a nice long workout. That workout I did burnt 700 calories, although I did break my, well, I didn't break it, but basically my punch bag, I hit it a bit too hard. I don't think I had one of the screws tight enough and it just flew out, so I need to just screw it in more tomorrow. But yeah, I did a long workout and then did some more work. I've only took around to showering, which usually I shower first thing in the morning because I'm a real clean freak, and I've just showered and it's 5 o'clock. What do you want? You look cute today.
Thank you.
What are you after?
I was coming to see if you wanted a coffee.
I'd love a coffee, yeah. It's 5 o'clock though. Is that too late for a coffee?
I have only had one today, and if I don't have another one, I'll have a headache.
Sarah and I have a 2 coffee rule. We have 2 coffees a day. I've only had one today too. I've got my coffee. We're just in the other room watching the update. So I don't know what part of the world you're in, but in the UK, every day at 5 p.m, someone from our government goes on TV with an update. And the update is we've got another 3 weeks of lockdown. So the initial 3 weeks that they said 3 weeks ago is just about up. Was it today or tomorrow or something? And they said to give us an update. They've given us an update, and that is that we are on lockdown for another 3 weeks, which I think is totally the right thing to do. Initially, I heard it and my stomach dropped. But actually, do you know what? Perspective is a marvellous thing. Like I said earlier, I'm really, really fortunate. I'm here in the countryside. I've got, free space. I was working outside today. I've got a bit of space. There are so many people who are like living in high-rise flats and things who are cooped up without any outdoor space. And, perspective is really important. So, I know that I'm going to be fine. We're going to be fine here. Actually, my heart goes out to the people who are cooped up. But the alternative is we lift the lockdown and we all start going out and living our lives again. And the coronavirus kind of, it peaks more and it ends up lasting longer and killing more people. So there's sort of not much we can do. I actually honestly am counting my lucky stars. I miss my house. I'd like to go home at some point soon. Like I said, my plants are all dead, but my plants dying is such a small price to pay, isn't it, for the country? So yeah, it's kind of one of those things where initially it hit me and I was like, oh, but within seconds I have to sort of pinch myself and catch myself and realise how fortunate I am to be here in the first place and have Sarah's family here who are happy and safe, and my family back home in Norwich who are all happy and safe as well, because there are so many people who aren't. So I don't know if you also have watched the news and you just, I don't know how it hit you. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but I hope you're okay. Keep your chin up. It's all kicking off in the kitchen. Say hi, Jackie. Hello. So if you watch me on Instagram, you'll know Jackie by now because she's now infamous. She's appeared on a few baking videos and she loves it. Talk us through what's going on for dinner.
So, right, what we're having for dinner is creamed corn.
Yeah.
We've got some cod,
Right.
fillets, and I'm making a beurre blanc.
Okay.
I'm attempting a beurre blanc. I haven't made it since I last studied, and it went horribly wrong then. So I'm hoping to make a beurre blanc.
But it went wrong when you did it in school?
Yes, because it's an you have to you're emulsifying.
Right.
The reduction, which is vinegar and wine,
Right.
with some good butter.
Okay. You look tiny.
Do I?
Look at
my hair. I'm trying still. Oh,
I mean,
look,
you
I'm
are very
still
small.
waiting for my scissors, and then I've got gone to my herbs, which my lovely friend Kate.
So Kate is your friend.
My friend.
So Jackie has been shopping for her friend Kate, who's poorly and can't leave the house. And very kindly, Kate has given Jackie all of these herbs. There's dill in there, which I'm not happy about.
No, we won't have dill,
But we've got rosemary. Wait, I'm going to name them, Jackie. We've got, that's sage, that's dill, that's rosemary, that's parsley. These are chives.
Parsley.
Is that mint?
Yeah, just some mint.
Oh, I'm good at this game. That's everything.
Yeah, so it's going to be a beurre blanc with the herby, lemony.
If there's dill in it, I'm leaving.
No, there won't be dill.
Okay, thank you.
I know you don't like dill, so there'll be everything else but dill, and there'll be some chives in there
Okay.
as well.
I named all your herbs.
Oh, did you name the chives?
Yeah, I named the chives. I'm really
Well done.
I'm basically a chef now. It's time to play COD. I am useless at this game. Paddy's excellent, so he's upgraded all the guns, which is handy. I go on with my friends, but my friends aren't playing right now, so I'm going solo, and I'm about to get murdered. Oh.
What's the dance? I don't even know the move.
This looks pretty good,
I
Jackie.
would have plated it.
Cream corn, green beans. Beurre blanc looks tidy, I have to say. You happy with that?
Delighted.
We've got potatoes and carrots. There's also some gnocchi that was going to go off. I just realised that I totally forgot to end my video. It's now 11 p.m. Nothing happened. After dinner, we just went to the living room and we watched... Oh, we did the clap. Yeah, we did the clap. We did the clap at 8 p.m. for the NHS. I'm actually wearing one of the t-shirts. They say thank you on them. In fact, I'll put a link in the description box. They're £20 each. They're trying to raise £5 million for the NHS. It's called Clap for Our Carers. Did the clap, and then we just hung out in the living room. Paddy played PlayStation, and we watched MasterChef. Anything else? We're just scrolling through our phones, you know, that sort of thing. But thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a good evening. See you soon. Bye.